All right, this is in Golden at this parking garage.
It's like the public garage here.
Yeah, the public garage in Golden.
Schindler 330A.
That sign is very worn down.
You know, we very rarely film anything. Usually it's just out here.
I figure might as well.
Yeah.
Just so we can get everything.
Yeah. It's on fire service. Go to B first. Get a picture of this worn down fixture. It's in fire service. Oh, the map is on the other side. I should go look at that before we leave.
Well, let's hurry. Yeah, look, it's on fire service.
Well, we can just get it before we go. I just want to guide it before we leave.
Sounds like there's a train down here.
Oh yeah, this is the train station. For the garage train. I probably shouldn't, you know, just be saying that because some random kid's gonna think it's real. So.
Yeah, right.
Things bouncy.
This thing's been vandalized a tad.
It's just messy.
What is that? Ugh.
Oh, we gotta go to that one.
The car's on two.
Yeah.
We'll stop on the way out in the car. And
Re-level?
re-level again.
Under-level?
This thing's screwy.
That's fine.
And that will be it.